Hi, welcome back to Open Hand Farm. You have caught me in the middle of a project. I am working on my laundry room slash butler's pantry kind of thing. And we are trying our best to spend as little money as possible. So we do not have a budget for this of like $1,000 or $2,000. We're just going as low budget as possible and yet make it look good. Today, I'm going to be working on this wall behind me. I'm going to paint it. I'm going to clean the floor because we moved some shelves out and yeah, it's not too great. Not as bad as when we moved the washing machine and dryer though. You'll have to look at my other video to see how that went. It's scary. These are the walls I'm going to be painting over here. And then this shelf right here that has a lot of pantry items on it is going to be emptied and moved over to this area. So that is step 2 of getting this project done. So come along and watch me work. I wanted to tell you one thing. I'm sorry I've got like lines across from shadowing. I want to tell you one thing. When you are painting a wall and it looks kind of spotted like this one does, if you know you're going to be putting a cabinet there, paint it anyway. Someday you might decide to move that cabinet, then you have a wall that's not painted. So, just saying, sounds like a shortcut, but it's not. Okay, this wall is painted. See where I stopped it there above the doorway? The project today is emptying this cabinet and moving it to this wall. Let's get it going. Okay, it's got all of my things back on it. My jars more organized on top. We are probably going to do a shelf on the other wall to house some of those, but that's part of the third segment of this project. We still have the little white drawer thing that I use a lot. On top of this, I think I'm going to put my food saver and my food saver bags. We could even put a few little shelves up here to put the food saver bags or whatever on. So we might do that. And I even still had room for my laundry basket. I was afraid we would have to find another place for that in our closet. This just turned out so much better than I could imagine. I don't know about you, but one of the biggest things that get in my way in the laundry room is this. Actually, these, because I have two. I actually had three and decided I didn't need three. So then I had two. You guys, this is so much room. So much room. So, I know that after we put the newest element into this room, there won't be room for these. So I got something else and I wanted to show it to you. Let's open this up and see what I got. I got this. I mean, come on. It's a lot less room than this, right? But how is this gonna hold laundry? Let me show you. You go like this. Now let's compare. Same size, but not the same size for storage. Now, I got two of these. Let me get the other one out here. All right, two of them compared to this. Let's go see where these are going to fit in the new placement of the laundry room. I found the perfect spot. You guys, this is so much better. Let's compare. I don't know. I don't know where I would have to put these, but I don't have to worry about it anymore because that is amazing. I will say that we are trying to do this laundry room on the most minimal budget, but that was key. Like, I don't know where I would be able to keep laundry baskets if I didn't buy those. So those were $25 each. So that already brings my total up because my paint was $35. But that's not bad for the functionality of that room as well as the beauty. To me, it was worth it. All of it. 100% worth it. Thanks so much for watching this installment as we work on redoing our laundry room / pantry. Still don't have a name for that, you guys. Help me out with that. The next step It's going to be amazing. I cannot wait. So don't miss out on what the next step involves. We'll see you soon, and blessings until next time.